What's up, guys? It's Monday afternoon. A very nice and currently rain-free afternoon. It did rain earlier, of course. Very nice outside. Probably, I'm gonna guess, 82 degrees Fahrenheit. At least it was a couple hours ago. Can't get this dog to stop following me. I don't like him following me simply because there are other dogs here and they will gang up on him in a pack. And plus all the traffic and everything, he doesn't really pay attention. And I don't want to see him getting hit or hurt. Oh, looks like we got got like a little mud island to go across. Oh yeah. Oh, me and my flip-flops. Oh, my feet are getting a mud bath. Unintentional. But maybe I will now have healthier, younger looking feet. Okay. I just added a new blog post to my Road to 1000 website. Feel free to read it if you want. The links are down below. I'm trying to come up with a way to just have people subscribe, so whenever I put a new blog post up, I don't have to tell you on YouTube. You can just get an email saying, hey, there's a new blog post, and you can just click it. Most of the themes you can use generally have one of those built in, but this one didn't. I like the theme though, I don't want to change it. I'm just going to have to find a code to put one over there on the side of all my posts, or at least on the main page, so when people visit they can sign up for it. And this is not going to be me emailing you, this is just going to be for notifications when I upload a new post. That way you can all get updated at the same time. But I do have a new one up, so if you want to go check it out, it'll be right at the top of the main page. We're just up on our way to Sasamaki. We just need a couple things. Make sure we get some a few groceries for the next couple days. I am going to be starting my I know this sounds crazy, but I'm going to be starting my 4th YouTube channel here pretty soon, the one that deals with just English lessons. I will give you the link as soon as that's done. The only issue I'm having is that well, there are two issues really. I'm all out of email addresses, first of all. Hello. I'm all out of email addresses to sign up for a new YouTube account. And in order to use some of the things that you need, like custom thumbnails, which are always recommended, and other things, you need to verify your account with a phone number. It's a real simple process, but each phone number is only allowed 2 account verifications. and I'm currently out of those also. So I'm going to try to find a workaround to that. And yeah, they keep me busy, but you know, the first three I have, this one is easy because I'm always walking around anyway. And if people have questions, it's the best way to get the answer to them, I think. So this one doesn't take a lot of effort at all. The other two are fairly simple because I'm just inside my computer explaining a product or a website or a service or something that if people want, they can go ahead and use. So that one's just me sitting down and talking. So those two aren't very difficult either. Sungli's cooking channel was a little bit more complicated because unlike mine, where I can just go in, you know, most of the time, or at least a lot of times, one continuous shot, that wouldn't really work with her cooking because, you know, people wanted to see her chopping things and show the ingredients and show things cooking, show the finished product. But if I did it from start to end, you know, each video would be like, you know, maybe an hour long, and you'd get maybe 20 minutes of something boiling in a pan, and that wouldn't work. Or 20 minutes of her peeling garlic, and nobody wants to watch that same thing for 20 minutes. So for hers, we usually have a lot of short little clips that we push all together and try to keep it, you know, anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes. Anything longer, I think, is overkill. Well, her channel is doing really good, and I'm not taking credit for that. I'm just saying I'm looking at some of the views, and I kind of have a case of YouTube envy. I'm like, what? She gets more views on some of her videos than I get on all of mine. But that's good. Cooking and food channels are always a good niche, very popular. People like them. And a lot of people don't like listening to a dude like me just talk for 15 to 20 minutes at a time. Big holidays coming up here at the end of the week, Siem. It's one of the big two, as I call it. Better go this way. My New Year is the big one, and Siem is like the second biggest one. Should be fun, a lot of celebrations. I should get some good video out of that. Oh, somebody was asking about motorbikes. Here's a motorbike dealership. This is not the one I wanted though. I forgot about that. But anyway, here are some of the options available here. These ones are going to be more expensive than the scooters I talked about. Oh, but the scooters are kind of like this. This is what yeah, these ones here. These are the ones I'm talking about. That at the other place, these little scooters like these ones here were only $520 brand new. Plus, of course, you would buy a helmet and whatnot. But they're about the same. About the same style. I think these ones are a bit more powerful. They look a little bigger. So it's not a motorbike proper, but it's like a scooter. 50 cc's. And those ones are, like I said, $520 brand new. And of course, I'm on National Highway 6. they have no, they don't have a shortage of places you can check out motorbikes on this road. There's all kinds of places. But keep in mind, the one I went to when I wanted to buy it only took cash. They wouldn't take a credit card or debit card, even though it's a dealership, and I found that kind of odd, but that's the way it was. Like I say, if you guys have any questions or anything and you want to know about living here, teaching here, if I can answer it, I'll do my best to give you an answer from my perspective, from things I've experienced. Feel free to drop them in the comments below. Looks like she's getting snacky. But if you're going to get snacky, this is a good place to do it. As you can see, no shortage of things to eat. This is almost like a banh mi, almost. See all the meat, the bread, cucumbers, garlic, cheese. All right. She is stopping to have a conversation, as she is wont to do. This place right here is a great place to come and eat if you're hungry. You can get like the little snacks I just showed you over there. You can get things that are grilled over here, chicken feet. We got some grilled chicken feet going on. Hey, buddy. Stop here and buy some gasoline if you want in the same place. Or you can go further on in there and sit down and have a meal. Got pickled things here. It almost looks like a brain. Matter of fact, it probably is. All kinds of things that are pickled. And of course, all kinds of beer. Oh yeah, that place right back there, I've eaten there a couple times. It's really good. You get a good sized portion for only $1. It's a good deal. Yeah, I don't really have a particular subject for this video. Hey. I'm just thought since we were out and about anyway, I could show you our little walk. Again, more water and mud-filled potholes. This side of the street seems a little less muddy. There's a little store there. And it is a little late in the afternoon, so we're probably not going to get much much of the fresher things like you would in the morning, but that's all right. That way? Okay. Bags of bananas. And it's really dark when you walk in here at first. Unpeeled garlic and also peeled garlic if you prefer. Long beans and peppers. I do love them long beans. They're really good. My favorite over there, green peppers. Those go good in just about any kind of dish. Ooh, we had a lot of peppers here. Wow. That is a lot of peppers. That's a lot of heat. Now, while Cambodia is not really known for its spicy food like its neighbor Thailand, a lot of people will add their own. Because anywhere you go in the world, people like spicy food. It looks like everything's packed up over here. Yeah, late in the day. Alright, I guess I'll end this one here. Not really much more to see. Like I said, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. All my links are down below. My Road to 1,000. The place where every donation gets pooled together to help at least minimum of 20 students learn English at no cost to them with your donations. And once we hit 1,000, that number could increase by a lot. So check out those links below. Also, my Make Money with Dave channel is below. Sunglass Cooking channel is below. All my social media links are below. So do with them what you want. All right. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.